Welcome to Next Steps.
Hello everyone. Now we are going to see problem number 2 from the exercise 8.1. In the previous video just we have solved the question number 1 from 8.1. Now we will solve the second question. The second question is, in the given figure find tan p minus cot r, and they given the figure like this. So here what they given? They given the PQR triangle with a right angle at Q. First what we have to find? We have to find what is the tan P, and then we have to find what is the cot R. You know very well what is the formula for tan theta. Yeah, tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So this is the formula for tan theta. Now here what they ask you to find? They ask you to find what is the value for cot. So your cot is very simple. Either you can write the cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. So here what is the formula for tan theta? The tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So I can write like this: 1 divided by opposite side divided by adjacent. So your final formula for cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Why am I explaining this formula for each and every problem? Because if you are thorough in the formula, it will be easy for you to solve all the problem that was given in a trigonometric chapter. So your tan is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Your cot is none other than here. That is what we can write, inverse of tan. Or we can simply write 1 divided by tan theta. That will be equal to cot theta. Your final formula is cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. Now we will go to the formula question straight away. Here what they are given? They ask you to find what is the value for tan p minus cot r. So before finding the tan p value, so here what they have mentioned? They are given one figure. In the figure they mention certain points. Your PR is 13 centimeter, your PQ is 12 centimeter, and we have to find what is the value for QR. Just look at the diagram carefully. So it is right angle at Q. So your P and R will be your hypotenuse side. Your P and R will be your hypotenuse, and the PQ will be an opposite side. PQ will be an opposite side. Now what is the QR? The QR is none other than your, what we can write? We can write it as an adjacent side. So here the QR value is unknown. To find unknown, what I have to do is none other than your, we have to use your Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Using your Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem. So I can simply write your opposite hypotenuse square. PR square is equal to sum of the square of adjacent side plus opposite side. What is the PR value here? The PR value is 13. So I have to square here. What is the value for PQ? The PQ value is none other than your 12 centimeter. Just I am substituting here. Here the QR value is unknown. Just I am putting as it is. So your 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144, and the QR values are not, just I am keeping as it is. So I am just rearranging the equation. So QR square is equal to 169 minus 144. So I'll get the answer as 25. So what I have to do? Just I want to eliminate the square. So I'm taking the square root on both the sides. So your QR is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So from here, what I'm getting? Just I'm getting the value for QR, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Now what we have to find? Just we have to find what is the tan P, and then what is the tan P, and then what is cot R. So here what I am going to do? First I am going to find what is the tan P. So if you want to find the tan P, what I have to do? Just I am going to redraw the diagram like this. So here they mentioned to find, they ask you to find what is the tan P. So here Q is an right angle, and here what they ask you to find? They ask you to find P. So we have to make the P with respect to the theta. So I am getting the diagram like this. So P, Q, and then R. P, Q, and R. Why I am drawing the diagram like this? Mean here they mentioned as a tan P. So we have to make the P with respect to theta. So I am just redrawing the diagram once again. So what is the PQ value? The PQ value is 12 centimeter. And your QR value is 5 centimeter. And your hypotenuse PR is equal to 13 centimeter. So what is the formula for tan P? Tan P is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is my opposite side here? The opposite side is very simple. What is the opposite side here? Your QR represent the opposite side, and your adjacent side is PQ. The adjacent side is PQ. What is the value for PQ here? The value for QR is 5, and the value for PQ is 12. So tan P is equal to 5 divided by 12. Your tan P is equal to 5 divided by 12. Now I have to find what is the value for cot R. So here what I am going to do? Just I am going to redraw the diagram once again. So here what I am getting? The Q is in right angle. Here I have to find what is cot R. So I have to mention the R with respect to theta. So I am putting the R here, and then just mentioning the theta here. So my triangle looks like this. That is P, Q, and R. What is the value for PQ here? The value for PQ is 12 centimeter. What is the value for QR? The value for QR is 5 centimeter. What is the value for P and R? The value for P and R is 13 centimeter. Now we have to find what is the cot R value. The cot R is none other than your 1 divided by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. So your cot R is equal to, what we can write? That is inverse of tan theta. What is the formula for tan theta? It's very simple. That is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Your cot is inverse of tan. What we have to do? Just we have to write it in a reverse manner. That is your adjacent side divided by opposite side. What is my adjacent side here? QR is my adjacent side. My opposite side P and Q. So what I will get? I will get the value as an 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12. Here I have to find what is the tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. What is the value for tan P here? 5 divided by 12 minus, what is the value for cot R? 5 divided by 12. So I will get the answer as 0.
If you have any queries, mention in the comments below or mail us at the next step 15519@gmail.com. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe Next Steps. Ring the bell as well. Bye. See you soon.